As an active real estate agent in today's market, here's some things that I'm seeing that you need to be doing with your clients. You need to start educating them. They have news sources, they have all these things, and they have all their friends in their ear talking to them about the sale of their house, the one that's sitting there on the market, the one that pains you to make that phone call because you feel like you're going to get fired. The truth is, they trusted you once, they'll trust you again. You already earned their trust. So keep the communication going and give them the information that they want. Give them all the news they want and tell them you don't have to push them down on a price drop. You don't have to do anything. You just need to educate them and keep their trust. If they trust you, they'll stay with you. If they trust someone else, guess where they're going. And you know what? You don't have to do it hard. We got AI systems that you can take news articles, drop it through, replace it with your persona, and spit it out. So maybe you're not that easy to understand with some things. You can't read it and figure out how to relate it, but AI can do that for you. So why are you making this challenging? Why not just, here's the news article. Here's what my AI said it's about. Here you go, Mr. and Mrs. Client. Stay in contact with them. You stay in contact with them, you're not going to lose them. If they trust you, they'll trust your process. Because let's be honest, there's so many agents out there, when they're hiring you, they're hiring one thing: your ability to market. They're hiring your strategies, not someone else's. So stick with it. You got this. Don't give up, because your clients need you. They're already anxious, they're already confused, but you can calm them, inform them, educate them, and strategize for them. Let's go.